Hello, friend of karmic affinity. Today is the first day of 2026. Amidst the bustling atmosphere of celebrations and the grand plans being proclaimed everywhere, perhaps you are also feeling a bit of invisible pressure. We are taught that the new year must be louder, more brilliant, and faster than the last. But try to pause for a beat and listen to the silent voice within you. Is there a nameless exhaustion deep inside? Are you yearning for something different than the noise out there? The world in 2026 will likely continue to whirl at a dizzying pace, with technology, news, and relentless competition. The outside world will not change, but the only thing that can change and needs to change is your mindset. Today, I do not invite you to write more ambitious goals into your to-do list. I invite you to explore an ancient power that is the most potent antidote for this era. That is, the power of silence. Join me in entering the new year, not with a big bang, but with a deep breath of peace. What is silence? My dear friend, when mentioning silence, we often mistake it for emptiness, loneliness, or an awkward lull that needs to be filled immediately. We fear silence as we fear the darkness, because we think there is nothing there. But the truth is quite the opposite. Imagine your mind is like a lake. When a lake is tossed by storms, the water is murky and turbulent. It cannot reflect the blue sky or white clouds. It only reflects chaos. But when the wind dies down, the surface becomes as flat as a polished mirror. At that moment, it is not empty. It contains the entire sky within it. Silence in Buddhism is exactly like that lake. It is not the absence of sound, but the absence of disturbing inner noise. Silence is not about trying to add a new skill to your life. On the contrary, it is the art of removal. Removing redundant thoughts, removing unreal anxieties, and removing the habit of unconscious reaction. Every time you react hastily to criticism, every time you let your mind be swept away by sensational news on social media, you are creating a crack that leaks your precious energy. Noise drains your vitality. Silence is the safety valve to preserve and nourish your inner strength. When you choose silence, you are not passive. You are proactively accumulating strength to prepare for wiser steps. Focus on self. The power of depth. From the understanding of the still lake, we move to the first and most important application for 2026, focusing on yourself through the power of silence. My dear friend, we live in an era of performance. Every achievement, every delicious meal, or every trip is encouraged to be showcased immediately to seek applause. But this new year, I invite you to try going against that current. Learn to work like the roots of an ancient tree. Those roots strike deep into the dark, cold earth. They work in absolute silence, unseen and unpraised. But it is that silent and persistent work that is the source of life, nourishing the lush canopy and keeping the tree steady against storms. When you choose silence, you are choosing depth over surface. You no longer need to announce to the world what you are doing. You concentrate all your energy on sharpening skills, nurturing wisdom, and caring for your soul. That intense focus will create solid results that no loud words can replace. Furthermore, silence helps you build an immutable mind. There is a principle: a stable mind leads to a stable life. When you focus inward, you will no longer easily react instantly to external upheavals. Before a slight, you do not jump up to justify yourself. Before a difficulty, you do not panic or complain. You have a space to step back, observe, and smile. That is not suppression, but self-mastery. You keep your energy intact to solve problems, instead of wasting it on impulsive emotions. When you know how to remain silent to return to caring for yourself, you will become a person of profound inner strength, a solid support for yourself and those around you. Let silence define your character in this new year. silence, and the filtration of relationships. As you begin to bring silence into the core of your living, a subtle but profound change will occur in your relationships. You will notice certain people gradually drifting away from your life naturally. Please, do not be hasty to feel sad or try to hold on, because this is an inevitable and necessary law of purification. People who originally connected with you through noise, through gossip, or dramatic emotions will no longer find resonance in you. When you are no longer the reactive energy source feeding their troubles, they will automatically leave to find other noisy places that are more suitable. That is when the space around you is cleared to become crystalline. But simultaneously, another miracle will occur. Your composure will become a magnet, attracting people with the same vibrational frequency. Those seeking honesty, depth, and peace will automatically find their way to you. They come not for the boisterous fun outside, but because they feel the steadiness and safety radiating from your inner self. You become a peaceful harbor, a shade-providing tree that everyone wants to lean on. Instead of quantity, in 2026, you will have quality. The remaining relationships will be the deepest, most sincere, and most sustainable connections you have ever had. Silence nourishes intention. Next, let us look deeply into the intimate connection between silence and your future intentions. In Buddhist wisdom, every intention arising in our heads is like a precious seed. And the law of nature is that a seed needs to be incubated in the dark, quiet earth to accumulate life sap and germinate. If, out of impatience to show off, you hurriedly bring that seed out to expose it to the harsh sun of public discussion, the seed will wither and die before it can grow into a tree. There is a psychological trap we often fall into: talking too much about what we intend to do before actually starting. When you speak out too soon, you are scattering your concentrated energy source. The temporary euphoria of telling makes the brain mistakenly believe you have already achieved that goal, and the actual motivation for action will decrease significantly. Silence is the sealed vessel that helps you compress that energy, preserving it to turn into a powerful spring for specific action. Moreover, only in silence does the mud settle for the water to become clear again. When the mind is not stirred by the noise or opinions of the crowd, you can see through to the right path that needs to be taken. Decisions made in silence are often the wisest, most accurate, and most sustainable. In 2026, learn to keep your intentions secret like a treasure, and let the results speak for themselves. Silence in the inner world. When silence has become the companion of intentions, it will begin to seep even deeper, weaving into your most private dialogue, the dialogue with time and your own inner self. My dear friend, try to listen carefully to the voice inside your head every day. Is it always a relentless urging that says, "Hurry up, it's late, I'm falling behind, I haven't done enough"? We are living in a collective illusion of urgency. We believe that if we do not race, we will lose the opportunity. That very invisible fear has compressed time, making each passing day feel suffocating and stressful. But when you allow yourself to sink into silence, a miracle happens. The expansion of time. You will realize that haste does not lie in the clock hands, but in the restless mind. When the mind stops, time seems to stop to wait for you. 1 minute lived in silence and deep mindfulness has more value and depth than an hour lived in mindless, busy scurrying. Silence helps you see through the illusion of urgency, returning to you the right to master your own rhythm of life. And most importantly, from that silence, a precious quality will germinate: active patience. Please do not confuse this with weary or passive waiting. Active patience is the mindset of a wise gardener. That person knows they have sown the seeds and watered them sufficiently, and now they serenely sit to drink tea, watch the clouds, and trust absolutely in the germination process of the earth. They do not anxiously dig up the soil to check, nor do they worryingly force the tree to grow fast. In 2026, let silence change the way you talk to yourself. Instead of urging words, speak gentle reassurances to yourself. When the inner self is no longer swept by the storm of haste, you will find you always have enough time for what truly matters. You are no longer a slave chasing the second hand, but the one fully savoring each present moment. Silence and the transformation of the ego. Going a bit deeper into the nature of consciousness, silence also brings the greatest miracle of transformation, helping you dissolve the grip of the I, also known as the ego. My dear friend, try to observe what our ego usually lives on. It lives on noise. It lives on the praise and blame of others, on the craving for recognition, the need to prove itself right, and to be the center of attention. When you argue, when you boast, or when you complain, those are all moments the ego is screaming to affirm its existence. But when you choose silence, you are performing an incredibly brave act, starving that ego. In the quiet space where there is no applause and no criticism, the arrogant ego will gradually shrink, and miraculously, when the small ego falls silent, great wisdom has the chance to speak. Silence does not make you fade away. It makes you transparent so that the light of truth can shine through. It is through this transformation that the way you face failures in 2026 will completely change. Previously, when encountering failure, you felt it was a death sentence. You collapsed because you felt your honor was wounded. But once silence is nurtured, you will detach yourself from that event. You realize failure is just an experience, a necessary lesson on the journey, rather than something that defines your human worth. With no ego screaming to protect its image, you will welcome all ups and downs with a calm and light mindset, like drifting clouds. That is the ultimate freedom that silence brings, making silence a lifestyle. My dear friend, after passing through the depths of transformation, the last and most important thing I want to leave with you is not a practice technique, but an earnest invitation. Make silence a lifestyle, your natural breath, and the compass for your every action in this year, 2026. Imagine a new life, where you manually release yourself from the giant burden called the need to be understood by others. We often spend too much of life's precious energy explaining, justifying, and trying to prove our value and true self to the world. But the harsh truth is that those who understand you won't need an explanation. And for those who choose not to understand, all your words become meaningless. When choosing a silent lifestyle, you accept the truth that you might be misunderstood, and you are perfectly okay with that. You know your value lies in the inner honesty and goodness, not in the judgment or approval of others outside. Furthermore, a silent lifestyle will grant you the power to let go of the need to be right in every argument. Our ego always craves victory, craves affirming its viewpoint and proving others wrong. But reflect on this. The price of that victory is often the fracture of relationships and the violent agitation of the soul. This new year, when facing a conflict or clash, ask yourself an important question. Do you choose to be happy, or do you choose to be right? The one with the wisdom of silence will smile and gently step back. Silence, then, is absolutely not weakness or losing the argument, but the highest expression of compassion for oneself and the appreciation of harmony. Finally, put peace at the top of your priority list in every decision. Before accepting an invitation to fun, before committing to a job, or before reacting to an unpleasant word, use the compass of silence to reflect. Ask yourself whether this is worth trading your inner peace for. If the answer is no, bravely refuse. When you live with this mindset, you will find yourself moving through life as lightly and gracefully as flowing water. You no longer collide, no longer strain to resist the world. You become soft yet incredibly solid. That is the pinnacle of the art of living, where silence becomes an infinite source of strength, nourishing and protecting you every day. My dear friend, the journey to discover the power of silence concludes here for today. But the door leading into the new year 2026 is wide open to welcome you. Surely, the world out there will continue to operate with its inherent noise and haste. We cannot change the direction of the era's wind, but we can completely adjust the sail of our own consciousness. Remember, silence is not emptiness or loneliness. It is your most complete presence with life. It is where you find answers without asking questions, and find value without needing applause. Carry this key of silence into your New Year's luggage. Whenever you feel unsteady, lost, or exhausted amidst the current of life, return to take refuge in the sacred silence within. That is the safest home that no one can take away from you. If these shared thoughts have brought you a bit of warmth, a sense of direction, or a new faith, please help me spread this benevolent energy further by pressing the like and subscribe buttons. That is how we find each other, connect with each other, and lean on each other on this meaningful path of awakening. And before you leave, I invite you to make a small but powerful commitment. Leave a comment below this video with the words, "This year, I choose peace." When you write those words, you are sending a powerful message to the universe that you are ready to master your life with composure and wisdom. Wishing you a year 2026 as solid as a mountain, as leisurely as a cloud, and as deep as an autumn lake. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.